Bouncing in the Lord. We are bouncing in the Lord every day. I am bouncing in the Lord. Are you bouncing in the Lord? We are bouncing in the Lord every day. Are you sure you are bouncing in the Lord? Because I am bouncing in the Lord. Because Madam Peco Africa is bouncing in the Lord here in Mercy Divine Properties Limited. Make you quickly call me so that you can bounce in the Lord. Because we don't just give you land, we give you happiness, we give you miracle, we give you favor, we give you goodness. Name it, anything good, mercy, grace, favor, blessing, everything gathered inside this land. Don't carry one dash. Now true, I tell you so. Hey, so if you never partake inside the combo of our blessing that includes happiness, shyness, goodness, kindness, miracle, grace, and blessing, make you quickly call me. That's the only thing you need to do. Call me on 090-3429-6519. If you call me and you buy our new Banana Highland, it's going for 7 million naira per plot. Or you buy PrimeRose court, that is a service estate inside New Banana Highland, then that land will contain grace, favor, blessing, everything combined. We carry and give you inside your document. I make you know they pay any money for any document again. You don't know. So the number to call is 090-3429-6519. Madam Peco Africa, they wait for you. And you know say that here I did it. They wait for you.